Okay friends, so today we are going to discuss something about enols. For example, now let us take very simple ketonic compound. Okay, now this is your ketonic group. Okay, now this will exist in this form. Now this is called as enol. Okay, and this is your ketonic group. So this is your enolic group. So this is your keto enol tautomerism. Okay, so this is your keto enol tautomerism. Now let us take another example. Now let's say this type of compound. Okay, this again will have enolic type structure. Okay, now this is again enol form and this is your keto form. Okay, now here the stability of this will be more, so that is why here the percentage will be very less of this enol. Okay, under normal condition the percentage will be very low. Here the percentage will be more than this because the stability of this enol. How? Say, let us see. Now suppose if we have this enol. Okay, now it is having hydrogen here. Now there are two possibilities. Okay, now there are two types of things are happening here. One is you have this conjugated double bond. Okay, now in conjugation you know that if we have more number of resonance structure, the stability will increase. So more resonance, more the stability. Okay, the more will be the stability. So here the stability increases because of this conjugation. Another thing is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, because of this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, this is more stable structure. Okay, enolic form will be more if we put any acid, for example. Okay, let us see the mechanism of the enol formation in acidic condition. Suppose for example if we have this ketone. Okay, this ketonic group, again I am taking example of acetone. Okay, now acetone in presence of proton, and generally it is with the solvent. Okay, in some solvent. Now I told you this attacks on, as it is containing lone pair of electron, it will form somewhat like this. Okay, now this is your protonation step, a protonation of ketone, of ketonic group. Okay, now after this the formation of enol, how it's formed, because now this is your positively charged ketone. Now this, if you have solvent like water. Okay, now this will take one of the proton here. Okay, as this is acidic proton, and this bond pair will shift here and this will shift here. So now this you will get here, you will get your, and this reaction is reversible. Okay, these reactions are reversible. Okay, now this is your enol formation in acidic condition. Now let us see enol formation in basic condition. Enol formation in basic condition. Now let us take very simple base, maybe any amine or maybe hydroxyl group. Again we will take same example of acetone. Now I told you already that these are acidic proton. Now this will be abstracted by base. Okay, and this bond pair will shift here, as is in the resonance with carbonyl group. Now this will shift to, so here you will get a structure somewhat like this. Okay, now this, once it formed this, now next step is formation of enol. Now this is your enolate. as it is having negative charge, so it is enolate. Now in present, as this is abstracted, this proton, now this negatively charged oxygen will take hydrogen from the base, okay, and your base will be generated and you will get a enolic structure. Now this again it is a reversible, so you will get this enol. So this is under basic condition. So as you have seen in generally in basic condition, you will see enolate formation. Okay, now in base this is your enolate as it is negatively charged. This is your enolate. Okay, alright, so this is about your formation of enol in acidic and basic condition. For more such videos, like and subscribe to my channel A to Z Chem Concepts.